Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the NTC on a Beko washing machine. If you have a faulty NTC, you will be experiencing the water inside not heating up to the correct level. You might also see the E1 error code or E01 error code on your LCD. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and leave us a like too, as it helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you. And you never know when you might need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments below how you get on with this repair. For this repair, you'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first thing to do is remove the Torx T20 screws from the rear back panel and then place the panel safely to one side. Here you can see the NTC. Remove the electrical connection. Using your pliers, proceed to remove the NTC from out of the heating element. Before you purchase a new NTC, you're going to need to know the model number of your washing machine. This is to ensure you choose the correct part for your exact make and model of washing machine. If you don't know the model number or where to find it, then don't worry. Check out our video on how to find the model number on a washing machine here. Here's a top tip. Before fitting the new NTC, apply a small amount of washing up liquid around the NTC to help ease it into position within the element. You can apply a little bit of washing up liquid here and reinsert the NTC. Finally, reconnect the electrical connection. And now it's time to refit the rear panel and secure it in place with the screws. And there you have it. That's how you replace the NTC on a Beko washing machine. That should have solved why your Beko washing machine was not heating the water to the correct temperature. However, if you find that the water inside your washing machine is not heating up at all, then this is more likely the issue of a faulty heating element. And you can check out our video on how to replace the element on a Beko washing machine down here below. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like this video if it has helped you. Thanks for watching.